Welcome to JF Auto Car, your ultimate destination for car enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly special, the Rolls-Royce Ghost. A name that defines luxury, elegance, and power, the Ghost is more than just a car, it's an experience. The Rolls-Royce Ghost carries the legacy of the brand while embracing modern technology and performance. Under the hood, it features a powerful 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine that produces an effortless 563 horsepower. The ride is incredibly smooth, thanks to its planar suspension system, which makes you feel like you're floating on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted with the finest craftsmanship. Every inch of the interior is designed with precision, using the most luxurious materials. The Starlight headliner, hand-stitched leather seats, and real wood veneers create an atmosphere of pure elegance. Rolls-Royce offers endless customization, allowing owners to create a truly unique masterpiece. Technology meets tradition in the Ghost. The digital dashboard, high-end infotainment system, and state-of-the-art sound system enhance the driving experience. The advanced driver assistance features ensure safety without compromising comfort. From the soft closed doors to the whisper-quiet cabin, every detail is designed to offer unparalleled luxury. Despite its size and power, the Ghost is incredibly refined. Whether you're driving or being chauffeured, it delivers a seamless ride. The signature Spirit of Ecstasy on the hood symbolizes prestige and exclusivity, making every journey feel special. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JF Auto Car for more amazing car content. See you in the next video.